Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be doing um, our trade recap for Tuesday, the 19th. So let's just get right into it. So looking at our daily buys right now, we have very bearish daily buys. I marked as liquidity because it's just liquidity at price will probably reach before reaching higher or lower. Same, basically same bias as yesterday because same liquidity. Price just went down, but not like a crazy amount of points down. Let me see how much points. Enter Sunday right here. So we enter. We close it right here. Like not much. I mean, it's a pretty good amount of points, but I thought price would probably rally back to these liquidity here on Monday, but nothing happened. So Tuesday, I'm like, okay, it's probably the same bias, no imbalances here. I mean, I don't know, Lord, I didn't check it at 1 hour. I'm pretty sure there's probably not much imbalances. There's an imbalance here, but we already swept those imbalances, so that's gonna happen there. So also here, literally on the 4 hour, we see bearish, very bearish bias here. We go on a lower time frame, 15-minute here, to where our trade was. We took our trade around 6:45. I'll show you a better overview. 15-minute fair value gap right here, but this fair value gap was not for my trade. No. This is like the inverse fair value gap, which I could have traded and hit TP on, but we didn't. I didn't trade that one because I didn't feel confident about it. It was literally on market open, so I wasn't too sure. I don't like to trade it right when market opens. It's just like very, like the market's very volatile. So I just don't like trading when market opens, like right when market opens. So I trade New York, but I trade a little after New York. So on the 5 minute, we see it's fair value gap, which we respect. So in the 1 minute, I'll show you what a trade was. We ended up losing today around, let me see, $568, which is not that bad. That's yesterday. We literally won 1,056. So we got to take losses in this journey because bro, you can't expect to win every day. Um, yeah, when I just first started trading, bro, I won like twice. I got like way too excited, like twice in a row at the start, and I started just losing. I'm pretty sure I got like a 5 day losing streak. Blew like an account. I was about like one trade away from passing the eval on an account. Blew that shit. Literally like $200 left to make, and I passed the account. Ended up blowing it. I had to learn the hard way, but it's fine. That's how you learn. So, um, we see 15-minute fair value gap here. We ended up taking a trade right here as we see a rejection on this 15-minute fair value gap to the upside. So we reject on the 15-minute. We go up. I take my trade right here and target. I was targeting this 1 minute fair value gap because I thought we had to fill these in order to go higher. And guess what price? Just boom, ends up rallying this price here. We end up tapping in this external fair value gap here. My mistake here is I traded on NQ instead of MNQ because if I had traded on MNQ, then that would have been way better because I didn't want to risk too much, you know. Like if I traded this and like I actually feel like my stop loss here, I'm risking 1,000 to make around 800. So that's why I did not like. That's why my trade here, like I got stopped out because the dumb I said was I traded on the I traded NQ and I didn't want to risk too much. Okay, let's go back. We see that we respect the 15-minute value gap, so I entered longs here. We ended up getting stopped out, and then price ends up hitting TP in the next minute break even here, which we do end up hitting, and then just prices TP. And then we end up hitting this 15-minute, 1 minute per rally gaps here, and we just end up, like our bearish bias, we go down, sweep this liquidity, and then go higher, which we were right. The smart play here would be, I could have traded this at 7, but like, it was just like, I'm not home like the rest of this time here, so it's just too risky, you know? So the smarter play would be wait for this liquidity to get swept, and then after that, take like a literally long here when it taps right here back to this order block. You could literally go for literally 1 to 3 to outside liquidity, and boom, you're good. That would have been a smart play, but dumbass I was, I traded this here, I got stopped out, and yeah, I mean, not much to blame.